So sometimes back I decided to purchase the Sambrain Rapid Charger which comes with QC 3.0 and 18 watt support, and basically it's made in India product. That's how this outer packaging looks like. Coming to written specification, so it comes with 18 watt charging output. For some other details you can pause this video for your reference, and even if it is possible for you, you can also scan this from your device to get further details. So it comes with a 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 2 ampere, 12 volt 1.5 ampere. So that is basically USB output, and that depends, that is device specific. So here it also shows that it comes with 4 times faster charging speed, and compatible with all the smartphones, tablet, speakers, and other USB devices. It comes with 6 months warranty. Coming to pricing of this product, which is 999 on box, but it is available on Amazon for 389 rupees. Or price may vary because I received this unit as of now. It comes uh, in this nice and clean packaging, nice, neat, and clean packaging. So I already removed this folder, so I'll be coming to that in a bit. So finally, coming to contents, we get this one unit, this fast charger. So overall build quality is really perfect. Charging power is not as expected for Samsung devices, but I hope so. It works well with the Vivo and Oppo, which supports quick charge 3.0. And we also get this leaflet which shows thanks for choosing Ambrain, made in India, and some contact details. So let me keep it inside. Coming to performance of this adapter, sadly we only get this adapter. I have expected one type C or micro USB cable. Sorry, micro USB. Yes, micro USB cable. And it's overall the build quality is perfect, and it seems like as they advertised ABS build, so that is perfectly ABS build. And one more thing, once you power this on, so one LED will be uh, will definitely blink from inside. So basically it's a short term review, and I have nothing to compare in this video. I'm already tired of a number of adapters which I have purchased, and with this also sadly the disappointment would be with the Samsung devices. But as I said, I have used it for a short time, so I'll be not comparing it with a long term review. So I think this particular charger is perfect, and basically it's made in India. So adaptability to voltage and all those circumstances is really good, and overall this protection thing, uh, I think they have ensured all this. And we all know that Ambrain is a good brand in India. So you may try the Sambrain charger with your device, and it might work with Samsung devices as well. Because of this short term review, I don't have much idea to explain about it. So I'll be updating if it works with Samsung devices as well. But as of now, there is nothing else to go with this and to cover in this video. But overall, which I already stated, that the build quality is really perfect, and the price which you pay for it uh, is really worth. So I think you can go for it. That's all in this video. Give us your support, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.